Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be skipping the night at the Improv because I'm still recuperating, but today we're going to be doing a PR unboxing with Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So this is going to be a 3-part video, and this part here, I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of these pieces. Born Pretty was gracious enough to send me another package, and I am going to be unboxing them for you guys today. So I'm going to start off with this 6-piece set, and I love these sets. They come with so many different colors. And today we are working with pink. And for all of you, you're going to love this. For me, it's going to be a challenge. But I do appreciate a good pink, so I will be honest about my opinions on the colors. But for sure, the quality and consistency of the Born Pretty products are the same, of course. And I am honest about the fact that I love them. So in disregard to the pink color, I am going to enjoy swatching these or making a design out of these. So let's check this out. And I actually forgot to read the number to you guys, because I think if you go on the website, you can buy these separately or you can buy it in a set. I'm going to leave a product link in the description box below, but this one is BPHP001. And we're going to take a look at this. It's a very nice, pretty light pink, like a baby pink. I like it. I'm thinking baby vibes, but anyway. Yes, along with the product link in the description box below, I am going to be leaving my discount code there as well. As you guys know, I am an affiliate of Born Pretty, and you guys using the code really helps me out. So check out the products. There's 2 of them. There's this 6-pack and then the little box over there that I haven't opened yet. So this is BPHP02, and this is going to be a little darker pink. This is like Barbie pink to me. I like this Barbie. I don't go out to the theater, so I haven't seen the movie yet. But I am so dying to see that movie, even though I'm not a Barbie fan, but I like the concept of making it a real life movie. And I want to do a Barbie design actually with this set, but I'm not too sure exactly what's going to happen because, you know, I don't know if I should brand name Barbie along with this Born Pretty for when I do this design. So this is BPHP03, and this is, I don't know, it's like a neon color. It looks a little red on the outside window there, but this is actually a pink neon, which is really cool. So we have that. And then next we have here BPHP04. And this one looks a bit red-ish. This looks kind of like, it's not red, obviously, but it looks like it's got a red hue. Maybe, I don't know, what would you call this? I mean, this is their pink collection set, so I don't know what color that would be. I wish they gave them names and not numbers, but I get the whole number factor because there's just so many gel polishes that they have that just coming up with names has got to be a complete nightmare. But anyway, and I guess numbers fit better on this label than names. So this is BPHP05. This looks like another hot pink. This is even hotter pink. So last one was hot pink. This one's hotter pink. I like the hotter pink. This reminds me of a highlighter. Definitely used this back in the day in college. Coloring up the whole damn page with this highlighter pink. Don't you hate that when you try to take notes? And I don't know what I was trying to show you there, but this was filmed obviously a while ago, and I have to remove those 2 nails. I think I was just sad to see them go. Oh, I think maybe I wanted to do a marble with this. What do you think? Here's BPHP06. And this is a glitter. Of course, I'm going to love it. Doesn't matter what color it is. I love it. Look at that. Chunky, chunky, chunky. We've got chunky glitters. We have hexagon glitters. We have fine glitters, fine reflective glitters in like a pink hue polish. I love Born Pretty glitters. They're just so glitter packed. And when you apply it on, you can just brush it on. And it's not like you don't see the glitter. Like glitter gets left behind. You know, some brands don't do that. So this is a really nice set. So yeah, I had filmed this a while ago, and they wanted me to post this later down the road. So I don't know what the hell I was thinking about here, but this is definitely going to be a challenge for me to do a design. I have so many ideas going on in my head, and I think I kind of remember what I wanted to do. Barbie was one of them, and then marbling was definitely another. So leave a comment below. What do you think I should do with this? I mean, I am going to go continue on with what I'm going to do, but it'd be nice to see if we were on the same page. But here's the last item that they had sent me. This is their white jelly, or jelly white. Oh, you can't fit names on here. Yeah, they should just come up with names instead of numbers from now on. I love jelly, so I'm definitely gonna love this. I'm thinking that the part 2 video is gonna be applying this guy here. I mean, you can even use this for a milk bath. You know, before I was kind of like watering down white with a clear base coat or top coat, and now I've got some white jelly. I mean, I can do a lot of cool stuff with this. So who knows, but I'm thinking tomorrow, maybe part 2 video, I'll start with the white jelly and I'll worry about the 6-piece later. But yeah, so this is it, you guys. Again, I'm going to leave the links in the description box below along with my discount code. It definitely helps me out if you use it, so I greatly appreciate that. Check for part 2 of this 3-part video series. And again, sorry, I'm still recovering, so there won't be a night at the Improv or recap the nightcap, obviously. But I am going to be punching out these Born Pretty videos for you guys. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.